Tara, magluto tayo ng cheesy chicken tortilla. Meron tayong chicken breast. Lalagyan natin ng salt, white pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, cumin powder, at olive oil. Lagyan na natin yung dried thyme. So, i-marinate muna natin yung ating chicken breast. Set aside muna natin. Maglagay na tayo ng oil sa ating pan. Salang na natin yung ating chicken breast. So, i-set aside muna natin yung ating chicken breast. Dito na natin sasaute yung onion. Lagyan lang natin yung bell pepper, yellow, red, and green. Lagyan na tayo ng salt, dried oregano, Cajun seasoning, white pepper, at yung ating garlic powder. Meron tayong tortilla flour. Lagyan na natin ng bell pepper. Lagyan natin ng chicken. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng vegetable ulit on the top. Lagyan na natin ng quick melt cheese. Salang muna natin sa oven.
Sarap. Cheesy.